everyone and welcome to this midweek technical analysis, and this week we are going to have a look at Bitcoin, gold prices and US 500. We have some downside movements this week despite from gold that is continuing its upside movement within a trading range. But let's have a look first at Bitcoin that is currently retreating from the latest peak around the 110,500 region and is approaching the 20-day SMA around this inside swing high of 106,800 level. Now, if the market retreats further than the price, it may also find first support near the 50-day SMA in the 858,000 region ahead of this support level of 100,400. Now, even lower the psychological mark of 98,000 level, it may attract traders' attention ahead of the 200-day SMA near the 95,500 level. Now, we can see also that the price is holding beneath this steep ascending channel here. So if the price overcomes the 110.500 region, then it may set towards the all-time peak around the 112,000 area. Now, an overcome of this region, then it will enter into uncharted territory with the next psychological marks such as 113 and 114 coming into focus. Now, and drop beneath the 200-day SMA, then we can speak for steeper decreases and maybe we are going to see Bitcoin creating a neutral phase. Having a look at technical oscillators, the RSI is pointing downwards above the 50 area. The MACD oscillator is flattening above the 0 area, so both of them are confirming this downside movement in the market. And now switching to gold prices, we can see that the price is moving to the downside over the last few hours after the bullish start that it had during the day, and it also find a strong resistance near this descending trend line. Now, if the market retreats further, then first support will come from the 20-day SMA at 33.17 ahead of the 50-day SMA near the 32.77 region, which has been rejected several times in the past. Even lower the 3200 area, which is the 261.8% Fibonacci extension level of this downward wave here from 2790 to 2535. It will be also a strong support level to have in mind, as it also includes this medium-term ascending trend line. Now, even lower the price, it may touch this the lower boundary of this trading range at 3167, and any movement below it will also suggest that we may see some more declines until the 3120 and then 2950 area. Now, to have a decline and the descending movement in the market and in the broader outlook, I think that we have to wait to see a break beneath the 200-day SMA in the 2080 region, which is also holding near the 200-day SMA, as well as a break beneath this long-term uptrend line. Now, on the other hand, if the price surpasses this downtrend line here, then it may test again the 3400 level to 3440, while even higher, the 35 psychological mark, which is also the all-time high, it may attract traders' attention ahead of the 423.6% Fibonacci at 3600, and also the 3740 area, which is the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of this downward wave from 3500 to 3120. Now, having a look at the technical oscillators, the RSI is moving sideways slightly above the 50 area, as well as the MACD oscillator is also moving sideways above the 0 level. So both of them are mirroring this latest consolidation phase we have in gold prices. Now, looking at the US 500, we can see that also here we have a correction to the downside. The price is currently hitting the 6,000 region before it peaked at 67 in the previous day. So if there is a move below the 6,000 area, then the price will also break the steep uptrend line to the downside, reaching the 20-day SMA at 59 33, even lower the latest bottom at 58.50, the 200 DSMA at 58.12, and even lower the 57.50 support. Now, if there is also a drop beneath the 15, the 100 DSMAs, then the price, it may reach this strong support at 5,500. But as long as the market remains above this long-term uptrend line here that we can also see from the monthly chart here, then the outlook is still positive, and only a move beneath the 4,800 region, I will switch back again to the daily chart, a move beneath the 4,800 region, it will confirm that we may see a downside movement. On the other hand, if there is a rebound of here, then the price, it may challenge the 6070 to 6100 levels ahead of the all-time high at 6147, and even higher, of course, the next round numbers such as 6200 and 6300, it may come on cards. Now, the RSI is hitting downwards after the pullback from the 7th level. The MACD is holding beneath its trigger line, but is still above the zero area. So I think that we have to wait to see if the market will have a closing day beneath the 6,000 level before confirming that we may see steeper decreases. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.